What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk about the stock market and how we had a record day today. Dow Jones is up over 1,000 points today. You can see right here, Dow Jones is up over $1,086, up 4.98%. The S&P 500 is up 4.96%. The Nasdaq is up 5.84%. The Russell 2000 is up 4.96%. And like always, when the stock market is doing well, gold is doing bad. So gold went down, and usually the opposite happens when the stock market's doing bad, gold is in the green. So right now you can see gold is in the red, silver is in the green right now. But what I really want to talk about is FAANG stocks. Right now, Facebook is up 8.16%. So pretty much since August, you have seen Facebook reach a high of $218 and has declined all the way down to $123. So at that point, Facebook was a steal. But one thing I do want you guys to look out for is how long will these green days last? Was this just a one-day thing and then tomorrow we're going to lose all our gains? Or are we going to continue to push forward and try to gain back all this momentum that we lost? Because we went all the way down from $218 all the way down to $123. Right now, all these companies are still valued at a very good. Facebook with a PE ratio of 16.745. Apple with a PE ratio of 12. Amazon, even I remember Amazon used to be in the PE ratios of the 200s, 300s, and right now I think they're in the 80s. Amazon with a PE ratio of 82. Netflix with a PE ratio of 101. So I still think Netflix is a little overvalued. Google with a PE ratio of 24. But the thing is, will we continue to push forward, or will these companies still continue to decline? As you can see right here, Apple's up 7%. Amazon's up 9.45%. Netflix is up $19, 8.46%. Google's up 6.4%. Even Sony's up 4%. Microsoft's up 7%. SQ Square is up 9%. Nvidia's up 5%. Snapchat is up 8%. Ferrari's up 2.4%. Pretty much, I'm looking at these charts. Everything is green, 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 green. And then I'm thinking today the Canadian markets were closed. We didn't see no movements in the Canadian markets. But if you look at the American CGC, I think they were up 2%. So if we have another green day today, I could see Canadian marijuana companies going in the green today. See Canopy Growth in the American side is up 2.05%. So I'm hoping tomorrow we have another green day. We're going to see. There is a couple articles I do want to read to you. One of them is about FAANG stocks, and it is called FAANG Kicks Its Losing Streak in Post-Christmas Rally. So finally, FAANG has a nice little rally because all FAANG stocks are in the green today. FAANG stocks got beat up like crazy, and I'm going to read this quick little article. So all 5 FAANG companies, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google parent company Alphabet, ended a multi-day losing streak Wednesday as the entire market rallied after suffering its worst Christmas Eve ever. Amazon turned positive after announcing a record-breaking holiday season by number of items sold as it aims to beat its own weak outlook for the quarter. The Nasdaq Composite Index finished up 5.8%. So all 5 FAANG companies, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and the Google parent company Alphabet, snapped their losing streak Wednesday after closing multiple trading days in the negative. All 5 stocks finished the day up at least 6% as Dow Jones gained over 1,000 points, its highest point gain ever. So now what I'm wondering is, will the Dow Jones continue to push forward tomorrow? That's going to be signs of a recovery, or whether it's going to lose 500 points or lose that 5,000 points, and it could have just been a one-day run. Pretty much a bunch of swing traders. No one knows what's going to happen tomorrow. So tomorrow will be interesting, whether we see a red day or a green day. At this point, anything is possible. Anything is possible. This could have been a bull trap. People might get a little too excited, and they might have bought in. And who knows, tomorrow they might lose all their gains that they made this morning. So the rally came as the market overall recovered from its worst Christmas Eve sell-off ever. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index rose sharply, closing at 5.8%. Amazon, Apple, and Netflix and Alphabet each had 4 straight trading days in the negative, while Facebook saw 2 straight days in the negative prior to the rally. Amazon finished the highest of the group, up 9.4% after announcing a record record-breaking holiday season by numbers of items sold as it tries to beat its own weak outlook for the quarter. The company did not disclose revenue for sales, so investors will have to wait for Amazon's next earnings report to get a full picture of the shopping season. Amazon plunged 10% after its last earnings report when it projected operating income of 2.1 billion to 3.6 billion, below analyst estimates of 3.9 billion. So Apple finished the day up 7% after a report from consumer intelligence research partner found it successfully drew in a greater number of Android users with its latest iPhone release compared to previous years. So FAANG stocks are looking really good. So yeah, FAANG stocks did amazing today. Dow Jones did amazing today. Even a company like Tesla did amazing today. I'm just going to pull up their charts real quick. Yes. Tesla went up 10% today. So Tesla's been selling off lately, and it did go below 300 for a second, and it went all the way back up to 300 and let's see, 325.96. They did go up 10% today. Tesla now has a market cap of 50 billion. And I did find an article on Tesla, and it is why Tesla shares raced higher today, and it is by Motley Fool. I do know a lot of people hate and love Motley Fool. I have a love and hate relationship with Motley Fool. But honestly, I do find a lot of their articles very interesting. So why Tesla shares raced higher today? So what happened? Shares of Tesla raced higher today, up by 10% as of the market close after the companies received a bullish analyst note from Wall Street. Once Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives reiterated an outperform rating and a price target of $440 on Tesla shares. So Tesla's new price target is $440. So they're saying right now at 326, Tesla will go up to $440. So Wedbush, which only initiated coverage on Tesla earlier this month, argues that the demand for the Model 3 looks very strong in 2019 and beyond. International deliveries are ramping while Tesla continues to improve manufacturing efficiency. According to the note, while the company struggled immensely during the first year of Model 3 production, it has largely solved the most difficult challenges in the production ramp, allowing investors to focus more on the demand side of the equation. So now what? The company also has significant opportunities in China where it is beginning construction on a Gigafactory 3. Producing vehicles locally will allow Tesla to skirt the hefty import tariffs that China imposes on cars coming into the country, while escalating trade tensions between the US and China have created new risks for Tesla, which has had to adjust prices numerous times in recent months in response to fluctuating tariffs. Strong Model 3 demand will mitigate the need to potentially raise capital. In Ives' view, Ives said that Tesla is poised to deliver a robust fourth quarter, which will be another major step forward for the company on its path to a sustainable profitability and cash flow generation in 2019 on the heels of a transformational Model 3 growth opportunity for the coming years. So Tesla's looking good right now. But once again, are we going to continue to push forward, or are we going to lose all these gains that we've made today? This is only one day. I've noticed a lot of people getting excited after one day. Yes, it's amazing having a green day after so many red days, especially when the whole sector is green. It's very unfortunate that today the Canadian markets were closed because today we didn't see no movements. The Canadian markets were closed today. They should be opening up tomorrow. I have no idea why the Canadian markets are closed on a box on 26. It's no longer Christmas, but yes, the Canadian marijuana industry was closed. So yeah, that's it for tech stocks. That's it for Dow Jones. Once again, Dow Jones had an amazing day, up 4.98%. and up 1,086 points. But if you do look at the long-term charts, it does look like they barely went up. We're gonna see. Maybe for the New Year's, we're gonna have to gain back everything we lost. Things are looking a little better, but let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be a good sign. It'll be a good sign if we see another green day tomorrow, and if we do see a red day where we lost all these gains, it's pretty much it's just showing the volatility, and it will still show that we're in a bear market if we lose everything we've gained today. If we have if for the rest of the week until Friday we see green day after green day, then people might have a little sigh of relief. But at the same time, it could be a bull trap. It could be people get excited, they start buying back into the market, and next thing you know, it crashes again. So don't get trapped into a bull trap. Right now, these are times where I'm very happy to be a swing trader, because a lot of the losses that I could have taken, I'm glad I didn't, because I've collected a lot of my profits. So these times, volatility, swing traders love that. Long-term investors, they're not going to be happy unless they're buying on this dip and it continues to push forward. So once again, best of luck to you guys in your investments. I hope you guys had a happy holidays. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget, my exposed video is coming out. I know you guys are telling me to release that, but it's not as simple as just releasing it. I have to record everything, I have to edit everything, and I want it to be high quality, so it is going to take me some time. And on top of that, I was very busy during the holidays, but it will be coming out. I'm going to do my best to make it come out before the New Year. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.